first idea. It's called Make Blue.
Hello, my name is Carlos. I'm a web developer. I have 4 years of experience. And here's my idea. It's another idea that involves somehow Instagram or is related to Instagram. My friend Gatis had a similar idea that
Ko domā par šo pasākumu? Mēs tikko pabrokastojām vakar. Nomainījām savu nosaukumu uz GIF. Te nu mēs esam.
Kas ir problēma?
Problēma ir tāda, ka mēs pieteicāmies tam mākoņu servisam un mums vēl nav nekāda atbilde.
Kāds ir risinājums?
Gaidīt.
Mārci, viss būs labi?
Cerams.
Pirmais aplikācijas tests.
Jūs esat pelnīgi.
Jo, Kristap, kā jūties tagad?
Slikti.
Kāpēc slikti?
Bet kā liks to galā?
Ko tu mēsta?
Nu, jā, paties, lai Skype uzlīmīts, lai varētu tuvoties.
Šis ir lieliskais programmētājs. No, es. Šeit bija daudz skaistas Skype meitenes, ir īpaši viena blonda igaunietis. Jā, mēs esam grāžas virtuvē un mēs ejam redzam baigu foršu gleznu. Ir daudz teiks, kas te uzrakstīts tāds? Milk in the fridge, soulless couple.
Lūdzu, padod man, jā? Te kā Cēsīs bruģinēsa.
Cēsīs bruģinēsa.
Cik baigi viņi tērē?
Hello, my name is Gatis. Yes, and I come from a team that made GIF. GIFs are not too popular on the internet right now. Well, they are, but they could be more popular. They're hard to make. Average person maybe haven't even tried to make a GIF, so it's not too easy. You have to spend like at least a half an hour in Photoshop to combine like moving images if you don't have any tools. Yeah, and default images like JPEGs are kind of old-fashioned, and GIFs are more fun because they move. Yeah, so that's the problem with GIFs. So today we reinvented the GIF.
I have one question. Don't you think that the images are moving too fast?
Yeah, premium users can adjust the speed and settings.
These guys will make money. So, runner-up, Foster, come up here.
Come up here.
Foster, come up here. And also winner of Garage 48. Big applause.
They loving the crew. Whoa. Cause we blowing like a C4. My whole crew blowing like a C4. Broadcast swag. Nigga, we didn't use in the city.